Need to copy IDs from Discord or access advanced features. Enabling developer mode unlocks tools that are useful for server management, bots, troubleshooting, and more. Don't worry, it sounds technical, but turning it on only takes a few seconds. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable Discord developer mode in 2026. First, launch Discord and click the gear icon near the bottom left corner of the app. This opens your user settings menu. Next, scroll through the settings menu until you find the advanced section. Click it to access additional Discord features and options. In the advanced section, look for developer mode and turn the toggle on. That's it, developer mode is now enabled on your account. To confirm it's working, right-click a server, channel, message, or user. You should now see options like Copy Server ID or Copy User ID in the menu. Discord IDs are useful for bots, moderation, and troubleshooting, but be careful when sharing them publicly. While IDs aren't passwords, it's still a good idea to keep account information private, and that's how to enable Discord developer mode. With this feature turned on, you'll have access to advanced tools and ID copying options whenever you need them. So yeah, whether you're managing a server or working with bots, developer mode can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching.